Hi guys, good morning and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Grand Forbes at ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ngayon Victoria Model Unit. Tayo ngayon sa Grand Forbes. I will be showing you this Victorian model. My name is Ray Maliada at kayo po ay nanonood ngayon ng ating house tour dito po sa Grand Forbes ng Antelgrad Village. Well, this is a Victoria model with the lot area of 287 square meters and with the floor area of 215 square meters. So it has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and 2 car garage. And you know that this Grand Forbes is very special. Well, continue watching para po makita niyo po kung how special this Grand Forbes. Po yung ating Victorian model house. This is a very nice and very elegant house. At alam niyo ba, nagpa-special dito sa house na ito because situated in a corner lot. And of course, this house is ready for occupancy. And the location is very nice and very good kasi po, malapit lang po ito sa Maynila, is just 15 to 25 minutes away, no, via Cavitex. And ang pinakamaganda advantage is this area is very exclusive dahil 200 plus units lang po ang mayroon dito sa Grand Forbes. Alright? And of course, this house is now for sale. So paunahan na lang po kung sino po ang unang makapag-purchase itong house and lot na ito. So this house po is available through bank financing, deferred payment, and cash turn. Alright? And buti na po kayo dito sa Grand Forbes. Pwede kayong mag-upgrade ng Victoria model na tulad nito po. Right? All you have to do is just to contact us and to comment down below para po mabigyan namin kayo ng computation. And of course, kung may lote na po kayo with the other subdivision or other cluster like Grand Oak Ridge, Grand Catalina, Grand Pasadena, Grand Meadows, Grand Broadmoor, Grand Cedar Crest, and Grand Park Lane na gusto nyo pong mag-upgrade ng house, so message lang po kayo dahil we have 20 plus model na pwede natin pong pagpilian dito po sa Antel Grand Village. And of course, meron po tayong discount na if you are going to reserve this house for this April, kasi po by May, we have price increase. The developer will give you 3% discount or 600,000 pesos po discount for this Victoria ready for occupancy. So this Victoria house po with a total contract price of 29 million pesos, including the miscellaneous fee or the transfer title, and available po ito sa bank financing, deferred payment, and cash term. And of course, maganda po ang deferred payment. All you need to do is just to pay the 50%. 50% of this house, and then the remaining 50% po payable for 2 years or 30 months no interest. Ang maganda po doon is makakalipat na po kayo once nagbigay po kayo ng 50%, including the complete issuance of positive checks for the 50% balance. Again, no interest po kapag deferred payment. And pag po gusto nyo mag-invest doon sa aming bagong project, which is the Anyana Antel Tanza, guys, napakaganda doon because the project is pre-selling. Alright, so once again, my name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village and Anyana, and see you po dito po sa Antel. Thank you so much and God bless us all. Right, so thank you so much po and God bless us all.